Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. Tesla Phone Pi is a high-end smartphone will be powered by a powerful processor and comes with ample storage. Every feature category in the Tesla device is attractive. However, pre-orders for the Tesla Pi phone are now available in the USA. The upcoming smartphone from Tesla, the Pi Phone 2024, is a fantastic combination of design and functionality. On December 20th, 2024, the device is rumored to go on sale in the USA at a starting price of $800 to $1,200. This slim, elegant, and lightweight phone will be available in a variety of colors. Tesla Pi phone comes with 12MP plus 12MP plus 12MP back camera and 12MP front camera. The Tesla Pi mobile phone runs the Android 12 operating system and has a 6.7-inch IPS LCD screen with a resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels. The Android V12 operating system is anticipated to be included in the Tesla Pi upcoming smartphone. 4700 mAh battery may also be there, allowing you to use the device for prolonged periods while playing games, listening to music, watching films, and other activities without thinking about the battery dying. Tesla has told us that this new device will have a lot of advanced things, and it is easily found in all countries of the world. The device will have high regulation. This means that if you use this device, the network system will be active in forests and mountains, even if you enter Mars. The only reason for this is that this smartphone will have the ability to receive networks from the satellite. Starlink is a system that allows you to download something very fast when you download it. We learned from Tesla Mobile Fan that it will have 150 Mbps 200 Mbps download capability. The release of this new device is likely to destroy the market for other smartphones. It is confirmed to arrive next year. That is it guys, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video.